All right. What up? What up? What up? Oh, excuse me. This is a lot of fucking names and numbers, huh? Jeez, dude. All right. All right, guys. We'll do the names first. Then we'll do the numbers. We'll use the same. Watch it be fucking like 12. All right. Here's the names. We'll do the numbers second. All right. 2 dice. I guess anything goes. I always do it. See you later. 10 fucking times. Not bad. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4. Someone want to pin NT baseball breaks 1 through 4? 5, 6. All right, Ben, thanks. Yeah, 2 is probably almost full, guys. 2, 3, and 4 on the site. 7, 8, 9. And we're using 10, guys. That's the number we're using for this first box break. All right. 9 and 10. There you go. So Shoop on top. Shoop on top. And Ryan on bottom. All right. Now let's do all these numbers with the redemption spot. So like I said, guys, it's pretty much essentially it's the 100 spot. The 100 spot, which is also we have it written down redemption spot. So whoever lands next to that redemption slot, guys, any redemption, doesn't matter, 101, platinum, fucking signed jockstrap redemption. It doesn't matter what it is, dude. Doesn't matter what it is. Any redemption will go to whoever's next to that slot. And I will let you know who that's going to be in a second. So 10 times on the numbers also, guys. Oh, did you write it? You didn't write anything, dude. I didn't see anything. Yeah, Mike, we'll take care of it, dude. We'll check. All right, 10 times. 10 times, guys. 1. 2. Yep. P stain jock. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Yeah, Mike, I'm not worried about it, bro. We always take care of it. So 8. 2's almost full, guys. 2, 3, and 4 go right after these. Well, after this one. Go fill up 2 right now so we can run right into it. 10th and final, guys. Here you go. 43 on top. So I'm going to show everything, then Steve's going to sort it. So just so we're clear, make sure you remember what number you have. All right? And don't be a clown and say, dude, that's not my number. Hodge, what up, brother? So 2, 3, and 4 on the site, guys. $6 a spot. So let's go. Just going to scroll, boys. Remember what numbers you got. Steve's going to sort it as soon as I go through this list. It's going to be saved to YouTube anyways. Saved to this live. Dave, you're a clown. Where's that 1 in redemption slot? Where's the 1? Gordon with the 1. Who's got the redemption? Dave! Dave got the fucking... Oh my god, this kid, dude. He bought 1 spot. Yo, I'm not sent... If you hit a redemption, it's not even getting sent to you. See you later. That's like one of my best friends, guys. Well, it is my best friend. Let's fucking get gay, see ya. Love it. Love it. Congrats, buddy. Yeah, for real, dude. That's awesome. Congrats. Scotty Edwards in the building, kid. All right, guys. You saw your numbers, names, everything. All right. Steve's going to organize it. All right. He's going to put it in order. So you saw your numbers and your names. He already did it. There you go. Boom. So now it's in order, guys. All right. Go through it one more time, real quick. Like I said, I'll call it out. I'll call out Dave with the fucking redemption spot, dude. That's great. I'll start. Yeah, I'll leave it down here, and then we'll just scroll up. All right. All right. Let's finish this bang. Throw a lip in. Yep. See ya. Oh, Steve, send the light, buddy. Send it over. All right. Make sure this is baseball. Yeah. Still a virgin. Still a virgin. Still a virgin. All right, let me pop these open over here. I'm gonna stack them on the table, guys, and then I'm gonna let someone that's in the break pick the box. So wait until I stack them. Once I stack them, the first comment I see. Oh, Christian, you're a stud, kid. Look at this kid. Woo! Christian, stud. All right. There we go, boys. Holly, what up, kid? All right. Wow. Keen called it right away. Box 3. Here it is. Box 3. Numbers, I already went through them, Puff. I love you, buddy, but if I show one, I got to show all of them. So I'm gonna call out every hit, guys. Oh wow, Stevie's on the other end. There you go, guys. Stevie's on the other end with the sheet. Ask him what numbers you got, kid. Oh. Yeah, this is break number 1, Joey. Break number 1, box 3 was picked. Break 1. 234. 234 on the site. All right. That's gone. That's gone. Let's throw in a lip. Guys, 2, 3, and 4 on the site. Let's fill them up. $6 a fucking spot, dude. Let's get it today. Gonna see a Babe Ruth, Mickey Mantle, dual pube. I don't know. I'm in rare form today, boys. Rare forms. Let's go. Stress relief, too. Fuck it. Oh, my God. Oh, boys, we're back. Woo! Let's go, kid. Had a Steve crack at my voice there, too. I love it. Oh, I'm amped. Fucking, oh, my God. I'm all fucked up. I'm not. I'm fine. I'm totally fine. All right, let me get my supplies, kid. All right. All right, boys and girls, here we go. You guys, I want you guys, all right? Ready? I want you guys to tell me and Steve who the better flipper is. I don't even want you to rate. I want you to just say Steve or Debo, all right? Because, I mean, I'm pretty great. Ready? See you later. Yeah, I saw Steve. When Steve started stream, dude, I was dying. I love it. It's all about the energy, baby. All right, boys. Ready? Let me know. Ooh, that's nice. And you guys know I like to do this. All right, I want to see comments. Who's better? Because that was effortless. That was effortless. Oh, my God. Yeah, I know. Yeah, all right, Thomas. Dude, my cousin's really good at flipping cards. You guys should really look at him. I mean, I know he's the dark horse in this race, but, dude, come on. Yeah, I know. You guys are forcing it. You guys are forcing it. First card didn't slide at all, dude. I got Garrett Hampson right on my fucking hands. And today, we're going to do Steve, too. We're going to use this. We're going to use the chubby boy, all right? He's not even big enough to cover a fucking... There's a brick on the back, dude. Oh, it's a book. All right, here we go. Let me get back to the fucking break. Excuse me. 40 out of 99. First hit. Crank. Garrett Hampson. Crooked Landing. Love it, boys. Love it. That's what we're doing. We're having fun. Especially this time in life, dude. The world's over, but it's all right. We're ripping cops. See ya. That's not going to work. He's fucking too small. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. I love this kid. Nick Senzel. There's a jock. There's a hockey net. Piece of bat. I do, dude. I do. I'm a fucking mess. 13 of 25. 13 of 25. Chris Armstrong. Chris leg/arm/calf strong. There you go, kid. Nice Senzel. No dip debris. Nah, we're good. We're good. I'm a clean dipper, buddy. I hate dirty dippers. Yeah, that's the thing. 67. 67 of 99. Back down the list. 67. DeJong. There you go, bud. Giancarlo Stanton. DeJong. Oh, my God. They're doing it again. Oh, this is nice. 16 of 99. Nice Pete. This guy was awesome. I'll say it every time I pull one of his cards. Ask Steve. We had a great experience with him, guys. Me and Pete talked for legit. Ask Steve about 5 minutes just about Boston. His fiance is from Quincy, which is actually right near me. This is number 1, Iowa. So that is 16. We're going to take it slow today, guys. We're just going through it. Jay Urlay. Oh, my God, dude. I feel like WWE's filming fucking SummerSlam upstairs right now, dude. Kyle Furillo. I know old school baseball. I don't know him. Play for the Dodgers? Okay. 7 of 49. Akex Block. Well, Alex, that might be a spelling mistake. But we have the order number next to it, so. Yeah, I got a log in my mouth right now, guys. Love it. Ooh, nice one here. 61 of 99 on card. Kyle Tucker. Chris Armstrong again. I believe that's second hit. Kyle Tucker. Guys, 2, 3, and 4 box breaks on the site. $6 a random. That's 81, so I'm wrong. It looked like a 6. 81, Mike Witham. Looked like a 6 when I had it like right there. 81, 81. Mike Witham. Monty. All right, next up. Jonathan Lasagna, 23 of 99. Jonathan Lasagna. 23. Dodger Graffer. Dodger Graffer. Dude, that's why this light always shuts off. They're legit. They're filming upstairs a new movie, dude. Ooh. How about that one? 36 of 99. Keston Hiura. That's nice. 36 spot. Puffin. There you go. Puffin with the hit of the box right there so far. Nice cast in, bud. Next up. Wow, Lou Whitaker. Detroit. Love it. 17 of 49. That's Alexander. That's it ever. No last name, nothing. Alexander. Last hit is the book. What? 4 of 10. Eddie Matthews? Wow. Dude, that is nasty. What? 4 of 10. Mike Witham. Wow. That is sick, dude. Look at that. Wow, that's cool. If it was a pick your team, it'd be a Braves hit. But left side serial number. And that is 4 of 10. Gonna do the same thing, Steve, with the books. Actually, this one will be alright. This one's not too thick. Yeah, right. Thanks, Dispute. I should have 360s. Yep. All right, that was number 1, guys. Real quick, the Eddie Matthews 4 of 10. Lou Whitaker 17 of 49. Keston Hiura 36 of 99. Lasagna 23 of 99. Kyle Tucker 81 of 99. It wasn't a bad box. Kyle Furillo, fake guy, to 49, 7 of 49. Pete Alonso 16 of 99. 7 piece. Giancarlo 67 of 99. Senzel 13 of 25. And Garrett Hampson 40 of 99. So not bad at all. That cut was sick. Right? Yep. Oh, shit. Number 2. Let's see how many are left in number 2, guys. I think number 2 is full. Number 2 is full. Let's get into it right now. 3 and 4 got spots left, guys. 3 and 4 have spots left. I believe 3 is almost full. 4 is about halfway. All right, number 2. Here we go, random. Same thing. Names first. 2 5. Yep. All right. Mike, what's up? I didn't see what you said, buddy. I'll do the names first. 2 dice. Fresh new dice. 2 dice. Nice. 3 times. That's good for this one. 1. 2. And 3 times, guys. This is break number 2, guys. 3 and 4 are on the site. $6, left side cereal. Cereal. All right. Once again, any redemption pulled goes to the redemption spot, guys. Doesn't matter if it's a 1-on-1, whatever it is. Fucking Abe Lincoln cut. Don't matter, guys. Redemption goes to the redemption spot. All right, 3 times on this list, guys. 3 times. Show it once. Then Steve will organize it for me. I'll put it in order. That's 2. Third and final. 3. My number. 34 on top. Down to 68. There you go. All right. Here's your numbers, guys. Make sure you remember he's going to put them in sequential order. I think that's the word. Try and say up. That's fucking light, dude. I think that's what it is. NXTUP cards got the 1 spot. Yeah, 34 is my number, bro. So try and get your number, guys. It's going to be put in order from 1 to 100. Or 1 to 99 with the redemption at the end. So there you go. There's your numbers, guys. Now it's going to be put into order by Steven himself. There you go. Iowa word, bro. So here's your numbers all in order now, guys. Go through it real quick. Down to redemption. Jay Erlay. All right. Is number 2. 3 and 4 have some spots left, guys, if you want in. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right. First number I see, 1 through 3. Has to be someone in the break. 1 through 3. 1, 2, 3. Joey, I'm trying, bud. Yep. How about you? Hope you're good, buddy. Hope you are good. Number 2, Kyle. Number 2. All right. I think he's in the break. If not, hopefully Kyle picked you guys a good box. All right. NT number 2. Here we go, boys. 3 and 4 on the site, guys. This is break 2. All right. Good luck. 3 and 4 are still on the site, guys. Go fill them up. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. This might be a good choice, huh? Jesus. Thing's a brick. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Oh, I don't even know how to do this. Fuck, dude. The first card is nice. I don't know if I could do this, guys. I don't want to take it off screen. Fuck it. I'll just show it. Who has the 6? Who has the 6 spot, guys? Right off the bat. Right off the bat, the 6 spot. 609 cards. Wow, look at that. Evan Longoria. Six of 6. And how do I know it's 6 of 6 and not 9 of 9? Because all the cards are going that way. So 6 of 6. Going to 609 cards. Nice. Good way to start it, no? Good way to start it. I didn't even see what we got here. What? Is it? Oh man, what do we got? No, I got a horseshoe. It's 6 of 6. All the cards are numbered this way. I'll show you on the next card. $60 of 99. See, they're all like that. I saw the next one too. Oh boy. Pop, what up? Jose Urena, 60 of 99. 60 spot. NXT. NXT UP. Next up. Just mem, but still sick. 57 of 99. The Flow. Flo Bichette, baby. My boy. 57. That's Jay Erlay. Jay Erlay. There you go, bud. Nice. Next up. Ooh. Thick patch. That's 9. 9 of 25. 9 of 25. Vlad Senior. Negative. Get a 180. The 9 spot. Got a call. 9 spot was James K. Mayo. James K. Mayo. James K. Mayo. Sorry if I pronounce it wrong, bro. Next up, oh my God. Kyle Wright, 48 of 99. 48 of 99. DeJong. DeJong with that one. Kyle Wright. Next patch is filthy. Ooh. Ooh. Jacob Nix, 98 of 99. 98 of 99. Ben. There you go, buddy. Nice patch. That's a brick, dude. I only have a few 180s left, guys. That won't even fit in there. All right. Put it in 360. Jesus, dude. That's a thick-ass card. Yeah, there you go, bud. All right. I don't know. Oh, my God. Oh. Huh. 6 of 25. David Boat. The 6 spot is killing this break, dude. Oh, my God. 609 cards. $609 cards with that one. Marcus Stroman, 8 of 99. 8 of 99. That is Nick Silva. Those are cool looking. Stroman, 8 of 99. That one is Nick Silva. Wow, socks. Jim Rice, 21. Shoop. 21 is Shoop. There it is. Shoop. There it is. Jim Rice. Socks. Last hit. Oh, never mind. Thought it was the last hit. Nope. Oh, it is. Just moved like crazy. 80. 80 of 99. 80 is Crank. Crank. My guy, Kyle Lewis. That's my boy, dude. Kid's going to be a stallion this year. Kyle Lewis. My boy. That is 80 of 99 for Crank. That was number 2. That was a solid box, dude. I know. I wish it was a nice patch. Would have been nice. Ton of 360s, huh? Fuck. All right, here we go. Kyle Lewis. Jim Rice, 21 of 99. Stroman, 8 of 99. Dave Boat, 6 of 25. 98 of 99. Jacob Nix. Kyle Wright, 48 of 99. Nice Vlad. 9 of 25. Bo, 57 of 99. Jose Urena, 60 of 99. And Evan Longoria, 6 of 6. For 609. There you go. Nice hit. All right. Guys, number 3 has about 25 spots left. If you want in, go hit the site right now. Let's fill it up. Fill it up right now. All right. Three and 4 up next, guys. If you want in, $6 a random serial number. It's only $6 a spot, guys. First 2 boxes was solid. So, it's still on the site, so go grab it, guys. Go grab spots. Give it a minute, and we'll pull it, and then we'll live fill it. So they're still on the site, guys. Just go on the site under baseball breaks. Number 3 and 4 are still up on the site. $6 random number left side serial break. We're going to hit a 1-on-1 next box. Feel it. Feel it, kid. Steve, you want to pull it? Want to pull number 3 and I'll live fill it? Jesus, dude. If you want to pull it off the site, live fill it. All right. All right, guys, $6 a spot. Who wants in? You can just pay right to the PayPal or through the fillers section. Here we go. This is what we got left. $6 a spot. Who wants in? Let me know, guys. This is break number 3. Single box of NT baseball, $6. A random serial number. I don't know if I'm getting any comments. Nothing's came through in a while. Let me refresh stream, guys. Be right back. See ya.